Welcome to Nuevo León, a state in northeastern Mexico where towering mountains pierce the sky and verdant forests blanket the earth. This is a land of dramatic contrasts where arid deserts meet lush canyons and hidden caves reveal secrets from millennia past. Join us as we venture into the heart of Nuevo León to explore its diverse ecosystems and uncover the natural wonders that await. Our journey begins in the shadow of giants, the Sierra de las Mitras, a mountain range so named for its distinctive peaks that resemble a bishop's mitre. These jagged limestone formations, sculpted by the patient hand of time, offer a glimpse into the raw power that shaped this land. Here, intrepid hikers can challenge themselves on trails that wind their way through canyons and up steep slopes, rewarded with breathtaking panoramas of the surrounding plains. From the summit, the sprawling metropolis of Monterrey stretches out below, a testament to human endeavor dwarfed by the immensity of nature. We venture deeper into the embrace of nature, entering the Cumbre de Monterrey National Park, a sprawling wilderness of over 400,000 acres. Here, dense forests of pine and oak cloak the slopes, providing sanctuary for a rich tapestry of life. White-tailed deer, their coats dappled with sunlight, pick their way through the undergrowth, while high above, golden eagles circle on thermals, their keen eyes scanning the landscape for prey. This is a place where one can truly feel the pulse of the wild, where every rustle of leaves or splash of water in a hidden stream hints at the unseen creatures that share this remarkable ecosystem. Prepare to be awestruck as we enter La Huasteca Canyon, a realm of towering limestone cliffs that rise dramatically from the desert floor. This geological marvel, carved by the relentless flow of water over eons, is a mecca for rock climbers who test their skills against its sheer vertical faces. But even those who prefer to keep their feet firmly on the ground will find themselves captivated by the raw beauty of this place. The air hums with the buzz of cicadas, while prickly pear cacti, their pads laden with fruit, cling tenaciously to the rocky slopes. Chapter 4. Chipinque Ecological Park, a breath of fresh air. High above the city of Monterrey lies Chipinque Ecological Park, a verdant oasis offering respite from the urban sprawl. Here families stroll along winding trails, their laughter echoing through the trees, creating a symphony of joy that blends seamlessly with the rustling leaves and chirping birds. The park is a sanctuary for those seeking a moment of peace and connection with nature. While cyclists navigate challenging mountain paths, their determination and spirit evident in every pedal stroke. The park's diverse terrain offers something for everyone, from gentle slopes for beginners to steep trails that test even the most experienced riders. It's a haven for adventure enthusiasts and nature lovers alike, a place where nature has been allowed to flourish within a stone's throw of a bustling metropolis. The juxtaposition of the lush greenery against the backdrop of the city skyline is a sight to behold, a reminder of the delicate balance between urban development and natural preservation. Keep a watchful eye out for the park's resident wild turkeys, their iridescent plumage a striking contrast to the forest floor, and listen for the telltale chatter of the elusive coyote, whose presence adds an element of mystery and excitement to the park. These creatures are a testament to the thriving ecosystem that Chipinque supports, a reminder that even in this urban wilderness, the wild still persists. The park is not just a place to visit, it's a place to experience, to breathe in the fresh air and to reconnect with the natural world, whether you're here for a leisurely walk, an intense hike, or simply to enjoy the serene environment. Chipinque Ecological Park offers a unique escape from the everyday hustle and bustle. Chapter 5. Grutas de Garcia. Journey to the center of the earth. Our exploration takes us beneath the surface, into the depths of the Grutas de Garcia, a place where the Earth's history is etched into the very walls of the caves. This network of limestone caves whispers tales of a time when dinosaurs roamed the Earth. As we descend into the cool, damp air, the echoes of ancient creatures seem to follow us. The walls, adorned with fossilized remains, tell stories of a prehistoric era. A sense of wonder washes over us. Stalactites, formed over millennia by the slow drip of mineral-rich water, hang like icy chandeliers from the cavern ceiling. Each drop of water, rich in minerals, contributes to the growth of these magnificent formations, creating a natural masterpiece. Meanwhile, stalagmites rise from the floor to meet them, forming intricate columns that seem to defy gravity. These formations, created by the same mineral-rich water, are a testament to the slow but relentless power of nature. The play of light and shadow within the caves creates an ethereal atmosphere, casting mysterious shapes on the walls. This interplay of light and darkness transports us to a subterranean world of breathtaking beauty. The caves, with their otherworldly formations and ancient history, offer a glimpse into the Earth's distant past, reminding us of the incredible forces that have shaped our planet over millions of years. Chapter 6. Monterrey's desert and flora, adapting to extremes. Emerging from the cool darkness of the caves, we find ourselves in a landscape of stark beauty, the desert that surrounds Monterrey. Here, the sun beats down relentlessly, testing the limits of life. Yet, even in this harsh environment, nature finds a way. The iconic organ pipe cactus, its tall, slender stems reaching skyward like the pipes of a giant organ, stands as a testament to the resilience of life. Jackrabbits, their oversized ears acting as radiators to dissipate heat, dart between scrub bushes, while roadrunners, those comical birds of the desert, flash their speed as they chase down insects. Chapter 7. Rio Santa Catarina, a river's tale. The Rio Santa Catarina, a ribbon of life that winds its way through the heart of Monterrey, tells a story of resilience and adaptation. Though often reduced to a trickle during the dry season, its presence is deeply felt. The riverbed, a mosaic of sand and rock, bears witness to the power of the floods that periodically surge through its channels, a reminder of nature's unpredictable nature. Yet even in its drier moments, the Rio Santa Catarina sustains life, providing a vital corridor for wildlife and a place for the people of Monterrey to connect with the natural world. Chapter 8. Laguna de Sanchez, a tranquil escape. High in the Sierra Madre Oriental Mountains, nestled among pine forests and rolling hills, lies Laguna de Sanchez, a tranquil escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. The air here is fresh and crisp, scented with the fragrance of pine needles and damp earth. Families gather on the shores of the lake, their laughter echoing across the water as they cast fishing lines or launch colorful kayaks. The pace of life slows, and for a moment the worries of the world seem to melt away. Chapter 9. Falcon Hill and Cerro de la Silla, iconic peaks, epic views. No exploration of Nuevo León's natural wonders would be complete without a visit to two of its most iconic landmarks, Falcon Hill and Cerro de la Silla. These peaks, visible for miles around, dominate the Monterrey skyline, beckoning adventurers to test their mettle on their slopes. Falcon Hill, named for the birds of prey that soar above its summit, offers challenging trails that reward hikers with panoramic views of the surrounding landscape. Cerro de la Silla, its distinctive saddle-shaped peak, a familiar sight to locals, provides a slightly gentler climb, but the views from its summit are no less spectacular. Chapter 10. El Cielo Biosphere, reserve where clouds kiss the forest. Our journey culminates in a place of ethereal beauty, El Cielo Biosphere Reserve, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that straddles the border between Nuevo León and Tamaulipas. Here in the heart of the cloud forest, moisture hangs heavy in the air, nourishing a tapestry of life found nowhere else on Earth. Towering trees, their branches draped in mosses and orchids, reach for the sky, while ferns unfurl their delicate fronds in the dappled sunlight. This is a place of magic and mystery where the air hums with the sounds of unseen creatures and the forest floor is a carpet of vibrant life. Outro. Until next time, Nuevo León. As our journey through the natural wonders of Nuevo León draws to a close, we are left with a profound sense of awe and appreciation for the diversity and resilience of life in this remarkable state. The landscapes here are not just visually stunning, but also tell a story of geological and ecological evolution. Each vista, from the rugged mountains to the serene valleys, speaks of a land that has been shaped by time and nature's relentless forces. From the towering peaks of the Sierra de las Mitras, which challenge even the most seasoned climbers, to the depths of the Grutas de Garcia, where ancient formations whisper secrets of the past. From the arid deserts that stretch endlessly under the sun to the lush, mist-covered cloud forests of El Cielo, where every step reveals a new wonder, Nuevo León offers a glimpse into the boundless creativity of nature. The panoramic views here are a testament to the incredible variety of ecosystems that coexist within this region, each contributing to the overall tapestry of life. Whether you seek adventure, tranquility, or simply a moment of connection with the natural world, Nuevo León provides the perfect backdrop. Adventure seekers can find their thrills in the challenging terrains, while those in search of peace can find solace in the tranquil settings. Nuevo León has something to offer every explorer. The state is a haven for those who wish to immerse themselves in nature, offering countless opportunities for exploration and discovery. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more amazing travel content. Your support helps us continue to bring you the beauty and wonder of places like Nuevo León. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.